We are very happy to share with you officially in my channel. I'm going to announce that hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to me. For all my subscribers and my friends who stayed with me, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po na hindi kayo nag-unsubscribe sa channel ko. It has been few months that I haven't updated anything or you haven't heard anything from me, but I just needed the time to be with myself and to enjoy the moment. That's why you haven't seen me in YouTube, but I do watch your videos, guys. I do watch your vlogs, but I just can't make my own. So ano bang nangyari sa akin? Bakit nawala ako for so long? So what happened to me? Last year, since September, remember yung video ko with the tower? Yung makyat kami ng videos. Yeah. Yun, I can say also that the instance doon, I was already pregnant. So, hindi namin alam. Nag-ano pa kami, umakyat kami ng tower. I don't know, it's something like 200 steps. So, we were thinking about it and kung kailan talaga ako nabuntis. So, I think that one, I'm already 6 weeks or 8 weeks pregnant by that time. That was around September or August. So, buntis na pala ako nun. So, hindi ko lang namalayan because all the symptoms were normal for me. So, being sleepyhead, palagi akong natutulog. I love to sleep. Eating foods. So, I love to eat as well. Tapos, yung nahihilo sa car, dizziness, normal din sa akin yun. So, wala talaga akong signs na to say that I am pregnant. But, later on, na-realize namin na I think there's something wrong with me kasi pag kumakain kami sa buffet, hindi naman na nag-crave ako o merong ayaw ako. Ano lang, that time, that instance, nung kumain kami, hindi ko maubos-ubos yung pagkain ko. Normally, I eat a lot. But then that time, hindi ko talaga maubos yung pagkain ko. Tapos, I feel like I'm going to vomit, pero hindi naman. Tapos, sabi ng family ko, sabi nila baka masama lang daw yung tiyan ko, kaya I need to go to the toilet. But then, wala namang nangyari sa toilet. So, I said to myself, I needed to check myself. If not with pregnancy test, if I'm not pregnant, so I'm sick. So, yun, ginawa namin. Kaya, nung the following day, nag-buy kami nung pregnancy kit. So, I checked early in the morning as soon as I went to the toilet. So, pag-check ko, yun, first check pa lang, talagang red na 2 lines. So, meaning I'm pregnant. That was around 2 a.m. in the morning. So, I woke my husband up. Tapos sabi niya, check mo ulit, finalo mo ba yung instructions? Kasi normally sabi niya, ilalapag daw sa parang flat surface to really flatten the urine. So, hindi ko ginawa. Parang hinawakan ko lang siya habang nasa toilet ako. So, sabi niya, no, do it again. So, again, I did the second one. And it was around 5 o'clock in the morning. So, I peed again. I went to the toilet. And then yun, I put it on a flat surface on the floor. Kaya nun, I was hoping na 2 lines, so positive. Tapos yun, nangyari, 2 lines pa din siya. So, at first, I don't know what to expect because hindi namin plinano. It was not in the plan. So, I I did not believe it. So, parang, okay, buntis ako. Okay, positive. And then, I told my husband and he said, okay, then we need to inform the home doctor. So, inano namin yung home doctor namin. Sabi niya, if you use the pregnancy test, so, ano naman siya, trustworthy siya. So, you don't need to visit us. You need to arrange immediately a Verlos Conde, something like a midwife to check you and to do the ultrasounds and echoes and to check you every time. So yun ang ginawa ko, nag-arrange ako, but then it took me to wait around 12 weeks before I had my first appointment. So yun, I had my first appointment and then they had the echo. So there was a heartbeat. So they said, and I confirmed that I'm really pregnant. So, thank God, after 10 years of being together, yun, buntis pala talaga ako. So, we were so happy. And, yun, kaya hindi ako nag-vlog. I was so careful at work. And then, wala naman akong I had no cravings, I had no vomiting, hindi ako nagsuka, wala talaga. As in, I eat different kinds of food. That's it. Kaya, my pregnancy is so smooth. But then, yung parang, tinatamad ka lang mag-vlog, tinatamad kang gumawa nito, tapos plus work pa. But then, now, I finally decided to share with you guys that it's really confirmed I'm positive. So, along the way, there were also fears. You know what I mean? Because my husband had that one with a previous marriage. So, yeah, I also had my fears. But then, thank God, we are now into I'm running into my 3rd trimester. So, I'm going to share with you kung ano yung mga processes dito sa Netherlands, yung the way how they arrange pregnant women, kung yung mga appointments ko, yung mga essentials for the babies, yung mga listahan na binigay nila sa akin, yung mga vitamins. So, I'm going to share it with you guys in another video. So, ngayon, ito lang muna. And I'm happy to be back. And next time, I'm going to share with you yung belly. Kasi hindi pa talaga ako nagpipicture. And but next time, after I upload this video, yun, that's the time na I can say that this is really it. So, thank you guys sa lahat ng mga friends ko at subscribers ko na still there, na hindi nag-unsubscribe. Maraming salamat po. And hopefully, I'll be back on track and I'll see you more this time. So, don't forget to subscribe yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko. And just click the like button. And thank you for sharing this moment with me. That's all. See you and have a nice week ahead. Bye-bye.